What is your name? Bata. How old are you? How old are you? You're 1, 2, 3. How old are you? 66 years old. You, how old are you? 77. Okay. Hey, you know what, guys? Kalis lang duha, mga brave boy, right? Okay, can you push out louder to everybody? You shout, I'm a brave boy. Very you.
Okay, louder.
Happy Mom Chow Chow.
Thank you.
Happy ko. Sayang.
Sayang. Okay, joke only. Okay, kayo mga brave boy mo, come here. Okay, you scared of snake? You scared of snake? Yes. Ako yung snake. Ha? Ha? Ayun, yes. Don't worry. What's this? Snake! Oh, wait, wait, isa. Oh, wait, isa lang. Isa, wait sa ha. Oh. Wala na yung wow. Oh. Very, wow. Smile and smile. Okay, gusto ko yung magician. Gusto ko magician? Ha? Okay, you need to turn into a magician, okay? Okay, just like this. I like this. Okay, have you my magic wand? Where's my magic wand? Yes, my magic wand. Okay, have you my magic wand? This is my magic wand. Magic wand, and this is magic. Magic 2. Okay. Just wave the magic wand like this, ha? Wave the magic wand left and right and up and down, okay? Go. Wave the magic wand left and right and go back on. Mana lang. Alright, wave the magic wand. Go back na po sila. Isda na na po, baby. Alright, okay, face to the audience. Yan. Okay, smile. Okay. Okay. Alright, this one. Hey. Alright, this one. This one is hey!
Tansya mo Enzo.
Ay, dito yan.
Ipakita sa iyo.
Hey! Guys, not only daw pag ibig ni Kuya, na ako'y favorite pet ibig ni Kuya ang name Rocky. Rocky the Raccoon. Yes. Okay, Raccoon. Rocky. Yes, Rocky. Yes, sir. Nice, sir.
Rocky is dead.
Kuya ba si Kuya? Ay, hindi ko itong di ay. Thank you. Kuya ba? Magic. Yes. Okay, sige Rocky ha. Okay, come here. Okay, clearly you show to the magic. Okay, face to the audience. Then just follow Kuya Mix. Okay, your mom and daddy's here. Yes, your mom and daddy's here. Okay, sige. Follow Kuya Mix. Do it like this. Do like this. Look like this. Yeah, right, like very good, like that. Open the right. Very good. 1, 2, 3, go! And very good. It's magic. Huh? mag-move si Rocky o paspas, dapat paspason siya gana o. Di ba? Dahil una-una siya magbastos siya, ulit ibastos. Nakunin mo siya. Ikaw yung try ko try. Anak, try this one. Ayaw sa lubot, pero sa piyan. Wow. More practice. Every morning ha, practice ana. Ayun, try ko na like that. Okay, go. Adi ka balo. Utang o to hapon na tingin ang practice. Okay, joke lang. Anyway, mga brave man mo. Okay, I've hear my... Wait, ha? This one? Oh, for the brave boy. What is this? Oh, it's a magic vintage chocolate. Alright, okay, wait. Where's the carrot? Here. Okay. Carrot. Okay, let me check first. Quickly. Let's open it. Oh, wait, there's a blood pa, oh. Wait, nothing inside. It's just a blade. Original, made from America, but the blade is local. Made from...
Google.
Google. No, it's Google. Alright, okay, let's try this one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Is it sharp? Yes. The blade is real. Okay, let's try one more. 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Isa pinaka-brave, raise your hand. Kailangan na kung takan yan. Ha? Ay, play, bato, pick, go! Bato, pick! Eh, bato, pick! Sit down. Alright, okay. Go, play, bato, rock, paper, scissors. Go! Bato, pick! Okay, one more. Bato, pick! Bato, pick! Winner! Hindi ha. Ikaw may winner, ikaw una. Very good. Okay, sit down ate. Okay, sit down. Kasi malagsikan ka sa blood. Okay, don't worry. Nothing will happen. Kuya Miss, trust me, I'm a magician, okay? Don't worry. If you're ready, 1, 2, 3! Huh? Let's try. Let's try. Okay, don't move. Okay. Well, don't be scared. Nothing will happen. Ready, 1, 2, 3! Ito, actually this magic optional lang eh. Pwede continue, pwede delay. Continue! Yes! Ready, 1, 2, 3!